Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Have you ever had a video file that wouldn't play? Maybe it was a cherished memory or an important project, and suddenly it's corrupted and unusable. Today we're going to show you how to repair those corrupted video files using Stellar Repair for Video. This powerful tool can fix damaged or corrupted video files in just a few clicks, and it's incredibly easy to use. First, download and install Stellar Repair for Video from the link in the description box below. Once installed, launch the software and add the corrupted video file you want to repair. The software will then analyze the file and identify the issues. Next, click the Repair button and Stellar Repair for Video will work its magic. Depending on the file size and the extent of the corruption, this process might take a few minutes, but it's worth the wait. Once the repair is complete, you'll see a preview of your fixed video. If everything looks good, it's crucial to save the repaired file to a safe location. Remember, it's essential to save it to a different folder to avoid overwriting the original corrupted file. That's it! With Stellar Repair for Video, you can rescue your cherished memories or important projects from the digital graveyard. This software supports a wide range of video formats, including MP4, AVI, MOV, and more. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more software tutorials, tips, and guides. Thank you for watching.